the Boolean expression for two input XOR gate is, see here, A and B are input and Y is output. Now as far as exclusive OR gate is concerned, the truth table for XOR gate will be like this. Here the inputs are A and B and output Y equal to A XOR B. From the truth table of any logic circuit, we can write the expression for its output. For that purpose, we will just focus only on those cases for which output of that logic circuit is 1. Here output of XOR gate is 1 when A is 0, B is 1, or output of XOR gate is 1 when A is 1, B is 0. So, from the truth table, we can write the Boolean expression for output Y is equal to, here the output Y is 1 when input A is 0 and B is 1. A is 0 means A bar is 1 and B is 1 means A bar dot B. See here, A is 0, B is 1, 0 complement of 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, means Y of XOR gate or output of XOR gate is 1 when A is 0 and B is 1 means A bar dot B. Or there is one more condition, or logical ORing, means here we can put plus sign. A is 1, so I can write A itself, and B is 0, and means dot sign, B is 0 means B bar is 1, so A is 1, B is 0 means 1 into 0 complement, 1 into 1 is 1, so A bar dot B plus A dot B bar, it is the logic expression for, or it is the expression for output of XOR gate. It is an expression for what? Output of XOR gate. So from any logic circuit, from the truth table, we will focus only on those cases for which output is 1, and we can write the expression for output as Y is 1 when A is 0 and B is 1. A is 0 means A bar is 1 and B is 1. Or second condition, A is 1, B is 0 means A dot, B is 0 means B bar is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So Y equal to A bar dot B plus A dot B bar, it is the logic expression for output of XOR gate.